The package offers everything you need to control and monitoring your cold storage facility, from the user interface to powerful automation logic. Whether you're getting up a new system or upgrading a system one, is ready to be reliable and boost energy efficient. Start event control filter today. Download now. I send you the download link below this video. Please refer this. It is first one, HMI design file. I'm using the HMI design file by the video designer. SI Video Designer version 6.2. And I got many screens in here. This is the home screen for the cooling storage. Control the air cooler with the passive function, solenoid valve, refrigeration, defrost, and status of the fan, status of defrost, status of the refrigeration, status of fan, run, stop, valve, and step 1, step 2, step 3 to step 5 for defrost. This is the timer per step defrost. And this is the temperature room and temperature evaporation. And one thing, this is the air cooler. This is the status for pressure. Many state run, stop, fall. For two compressor, this is the evaporation condenser for fan. And this is the variable speed VFD to control the compressor. And this is the operation current for compressor 1, for compressor 2. And this is the suction pressure and discharge pressure. Based on the suction pressure, the compressor will control to run, stop, control to capacity to stabilize the suction compressor, and discharge compressor. Based on discharge compressor, we control to the evaporation condenser to turn on, off. Number of fan will following. And this is the alarm management for the online active alarm or historical alarm. And this is the acknowledge. This is the disable on disable the buzzer and not buzzer, disable buzzer and reset the flow. Any function is one. And this is setting. We want to setting for the value row value for the analog signal. Row in minimum and maximum for the row value. Scale is the scale range for the for the row set. And this is RTC assessment. This is the lock, system lock, and menu and user management. And to the trend alarm trend. This is the trend for temperature, and this is the trend for pressure of compressor, suction pressure, discharge pressure, and this is the control for the compressor. Cut in, run compressor. Cut out, run time for compressor, and run time for fan, and cut in, cut out. And the suction pressure setup. You can see this one for security. You can set up for username and root user admin, administrator, operation, and on review. You can see the username many according to user root. This is the basic for the HMI. And next step, let's show you the Scada. This is Scada. I'm using for machine as for Scada. In version, this one. with the and the Scada system will provide you for the centralized control and data acquisition for the entire refrigeration system, enable remote monitoring, historical data, and advanced analysis. The feature of Scada configuration. You can see the home. Interface overview the home. You can see the many air cooling, 7 air cooling and 2 cooling tower, 2 cooling water pump, and 3 compressor. This is the status for fan, status for compressor, status for the fan, cooling tower fan, run stop trip. And this is the temperature, process temperature, room temperature, and this is set point for temperature and different temperature. You see the valve status. The valve status will close or open according to set point temperature. And you can see the alarm. This is the alarm historical. It's the same way. It's the same function of HMI. The Scada have got to historical and online alarm. And got to the setting for the alarm. This one function for setting to alarm high, low, and setting for the high and high low. This is the variable to setting. Some more, you see the trend logger. You see the unlock value, set value to log in, and after that log into the SQL server, and you can see the historical trend. Will display historical trend here. It's the same way for HMI. This is Scada. We got function to set one, the timbers to set one, different set one, high alarm set one, low alarm set one, and city the runtime for fan 1, fan 2, run stop, start, button, stop button, and burn out. And this is the same way to see this one, global stop, and you can set up to the security at here. Security level 0 to 255, and the menu and gas. Okay. User and user file. This is the user. Setting for user. You can reference when you got to the software, got to the support. Okay, and next step, the last step, I would like to show you about the PLC ramming scope. PLC ramming scope. I'm using the PLC ramming scope. You see the machine aspects, which many function. The PLC and using to the M241 PLC is a central processing unit of controller on the automation operation of the refrigeration system. This is the M262 controller. M262 controller, we got to the digital input, digital output for the input output. This is the hardware configuration. Then you choose some. And WC update device. Okay, this one. Change WC time. Yeah. And I'm going to focus the function of software for the PLC support. See the air cooling function block. Cooling for the rush function for the temperature set point and shut temperature set point. Control valve, control heater to the dot, many functions. And this is the function for compressor: cut in, cut out, set one, cut in, cut out, and on to compressor run, stop, and the current operation, current rotation to high to very high, Okay, and this is the air evaporation condenser based on the discharge pressure. Yeah, discharge pressure. You can set on and control the step up the step up fan of the evaporation condenser. This is the compressor. Compressor for VFD variable speed. Design on the control normally. This is the control for the variable speed. On the variable speed for PID and set on PID manual and set on PID's upset O2. Yeah. And definitely. I'm not ready to alarm control, alarm for the system, alarm for the compressor, alarm for the air unit, fan, stop, fault, overload, alarm. Declare here and acknowledge to talk and the top view link to the HMI and Scada. Stay there. And this is the scale for the temperature pressure. Okay. Let's see the function for real-time lock, real-time clock. You can set the real-time lock at here. Okay. It's fine. And this is the function tree. It's variable for the manage global. Okay, thank you.